Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be on my eyebrows. I recently bought this Korean beauty hack online, and I think it's called Really Eyebrow Extension. So I saw a couple YouTubers do some reviews on this or try this out. Specifically one girl, I can't remember her name, but she did a really cool review on it, and it looks like this. And basically this thing has a bunch of little small thin hairs and like mixed up in gel so that you can like extend your eyebrows or add on to your eyebrows or fill in your eyebrows. So it changes the game because like when you use a pencil, sometimes like if your skin's too oily, it'll rub off, or sometimes it just takes a long time to put on and then like they're gonna take it off every night. So this thing, I tried this already, and once you put this on, it stays put. It does not move. Like I put this on one day and I had it on all day, didn't budge. The next, I fell asleep, forgot to wash my face. I woke up, it was still on perfectly, didn't smudge at all. So this stuff ain't moving. So, you know, if I didn't have to wash my face every day, I wouldn't need to reapply it because it doesn't move, it just stays there. So yeah, it's called Really Eyebrow Extension. It's basically like these I wouldn't say semi-permanent because it's not like microblading, but basically it applies very thin hair. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so this is what it looks like up close. And when you take this off, it's like a brush. And then when you unscrew this, ooh! This is what it looks like, a bunch of little hairs. Like little thin, I don't know if you can see, but a bunch of little thin hairs mixed up in a gel. I took the little brush and I would like dip it in. I would dip it in here, scoop a little bit out and put it inside the top as like, just to start it off so I don't take too much of the time. And then I apply it to my eyebrows. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrows with this routine. So yeah, let's get into it. Ooh, this camera, I can get real close. Okay, so as you guys know, I like to start off with my spoolie. Just damp it up a little bit. I use soap, and I do the soap brows routine. So I take some translucent soap like this, take my spoolie. This soap is specifically for my eyebrows, so I'm gonna basically have this soap forever. I rub it on so I get some of the residue onto the spoolie, and I begin brushing my eyebrows up. I actually need to like clean my eyebrows. My eyebrows are not done, but I'm gonna just leave that alone for now. I really like this, I think it looks edgy. I like my hairs to stick up in the front like this and then gradually go over like this. That the soap helps it to stay that way, almost like a gel. Only it's soap and not gel. It's like $2 and it lasts forever. So instead of buying brow gel, you could just use soap. Just clear. I tried white soap before and it works the same, except you just have to use less products so you don't get all those white stuff on your eyes. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna dip some of these brows and put it inside this cap just so I can like stay in control. I'm gonna lift these up and literally just start applying it in spots that I have sparse areas. And just build it up slowly so I don't overdo it. But I saw some YouTubers who just like overdid it. They weren't taking their time. And mind you, like, okay, you might have to take your time for doing this, but this lasts all day long. It looks natural. It doesn't smudge. So this is definitely for me, like special occasion type of stuff, because when I'm trying to be quick and out the door, I will just either not put eyebrows on or just like do a do the pencil because it's quick. And I've mastered how to do it quick. So I'm literally just picking it up like this and like applying it and like dragging it a little just to like, I don't know. I'm kind of freehanding this. So like, I'm traveling to Italy this weekend. Definitely will be using this because, you know, when you're on the plane, pretty much traveling for like a whole day. So this is a good way to like keep your eyebrows in check without having to redo them while traveling. I only tried this once before, so I'm still kind of a newbie at it. So don't mind me if this takes a minute to do. But I'm just kind of like, just wanting to show you guys how, you know, I don't want to edit too much of this because I just want to show you guys the realisticness of how to put it on. Just because sometimes when you see YouTubers do things really fast, you think, oh, like it was so easy for them, and then when you can't do it as fast, or as easily, or as it looks, you think you didn't do it right. So I'm just showing you how I'm building. Okay, it's getting there, right? Because I have really thick eyebrows like right here, and then they just get real, or like right here, and then they start to get sparse as they tail off. One day, I hope to get microblading. Or, you know what you could do? You can like, you know, if you're a person like me who usually washes their face at night, you could wash your face at night, apply your brow the night before, and then get up and go, whoa girl, oh my God. That is something I might actually do. Because these literally do not budge at all in the night. Okay, so they're coming together, right? You can see it's kind of juicy. That will dry. I'm gonna just keep adding a little bit more because I like really thick brows. I like dramatic, heavy brows. Not unrealistic brows, you know, like I don't like box brows or like, but I just wanted to look like I have thick eyebrows. Like I naturally have some thick ass woolly mammoth eyebrows. It's like not woolly mammoth, but just some thick eyebrows. Which is funny because I remember in high school I used to always make them real thin. It was more what was in at the time though. And also that age range of like wanting to do your eyebrows. So you just, the more you do, the more the better kind of thing. Like with makeup, like usually people, I mean obviously most people start off wearing like, you know, just eyeliner or lip gloss, and then they get into a phase where they're like heavy on it. And then as they get older, well in my case anyway, as I've gotten older, I just wear less and less and less and less makeup. Never wore foundation like that, never been like a foundation kind of girl, never been like a concealer kind of girl. My version of makeup is just eyebrows, some type of eye makeup, whether that be eyeliner, mascara, lashes, maybe a little shimmer in my tear duct corners. I used to put eyeshadow on, but I ain't got time for that anymore. It's not that serious to me anymore. Just a lip. Oh, of course, highlighter. I love highlighter. And that's it. I don't put on a whole lot of makeup. 1, don't think I need it. 2, I'm lazy. And I just think less is more. So yeah, guys, this is my eyebrow. And it looks so natural. It's jelly. I'll come back when it dries and show you how it looks, because right now it looks real juicy. So yeah, this is the before and the after. Guys, this is pretty much it. As you see, this is a little still juicy just because I just did it. And this one's starting to dry. It looks way better, right? So you can see like the little hot hair particles. you probably like, you know, to make it perfect, obviously you have to like be really careful about how you apply them. Make sure they go in the same direction so they don't look too messy, because some of them look a little like they're going in strange directions. But for the most part, you can't even tell the difference between my eyebrow and them. It just looks like I didn't really, I just have messy, like, you know, messy brows. I'm gonna just apply some concealer just to clean them up a little bit. My brush. And yeah, now they're all cleaned up. They look nice and thick and good. This one is still drying, but they look nice and thick and good to go. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this process. This is so cool. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.